Mm.
Still alive. Easy, pretty, bro. Home. Oh, man, what are you doing? Beat that shit.
TACOM, I need eyes overhead. Watch your six.
Fuck it. Oh. I was
Attack map to hunt down the rest of them. Enemy UAV overhead. Teammates are in the safe zone. Gas is closing in. We have reinforcements inbound.
LGBR ready for launch.
Request received. We're done. Clear another target during contract timeline. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices. Enemy UAV is online. Your squad's in the top 5. 5 squads still operational in the AO. No longer active. Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated.
most of them with that.
LGBR awaiting targeting data.
Get to the safe
Pink, what the fuck was that? What the fuck?
No, todo mundo me dispara. Todo el mundo, los cuatro a la misma vez.
Squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Ni mamacito, wait. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you, wait.
Back on station. Good work.
Fuck. Corre, peja. How was that? That was good. That was good, right? That was good. Do something else. Corre, peja, corre.
No, we're losing. We're alive. Es increíble esto, ¿no? Es increíble.
This is bullshit. Yo, there's a dude on you, Pink. Pink, there's a dude on you, Pink.
He's sniping.
Pink level of awareness is not it right now.
Changing mags.
How the fuck did this nigga not? I'm getting off this fucking game, bro. Like, this game is so dog shit, my nigga.
Wait for you.
This nigga over here fighting a helicopter. Oh, and he blew himself up. What a fucking... There's no fucking way.
Squad mate back on station. Good work.
Watch out. Bro, there's a nigga standing right here, bro. Bro, what, bro?
I'm that nigga. Respect me.
Oh, damn.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
No. Va esto, bro.
Okay, bro.
Reinforcements inbound. Additional contracts online.
Assured
Yo, okay. Yo, okay, let's buy a loadout.
Enemy UAV is online. Destroyed. Hell of a job. Gas is moving. Squad mates back on station. Good work. Incoming napalm strike. Only 4 remain. 5 squads still operational.
Casualità, ora, pinta.
Another one, another one, another one! This game is ass.
Get ready. Window is about to close. Back on station. Go get off. Enemy deployed an advanced UAV. Some of your squad is outside the safe zone. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead.
Standing by.
Airstrike standing by. Fire sound started. Punch the back.
UAV available for tasking.
This is
TACOM, we're flying on cue. UAV is ready to attack.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Mira tipo, mira tipo. Vedi che fai?
UAV is online.
E pinga.
How the fuck? Yo, my nigga. My nigga. Bro. Bro.
Hostile UAV in the area. Squad's in the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Bottom bed, give me your money, bro.
Nah, bro. Don't even buy me back, bro.
Why?
Game is ass.
Enemy soldier safe to restock. Advise you to load up now. Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area. Safe zone. Gas moving. Additional target heading.
There's some of you. Some down. Fifteen close. I'm good. And three.
Tell your boy, come get the book. Go back.
That Blue, the storm is coming to our way. Blue, you're gonna die. Come back to our way. Come back.
You're losing ground. Move it.
How you gonna die? Blue, what the hell is that?
Niggas is just holding hands, sucking each other's fucking big fucking cocks, nigga.
You're in the last two. Now finish.
Two. One revive. One left. What you gonna do? With the comeback, what you gonna do? Oh, you know that.
Con trabajo porque ganó.
Hey, stop complaining. We won that.
Wall for
Como un buen chip, ¿verdad? ¿Dónde un black baby?
Hello.
You've got time for another bounty. Get it done. Targets eliminated. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. Reinforcements inbound. Enemy UAV is online. Squad mates are in the safe zone.
You've only time to shoot him too.
Nine left. Keep the pressure on. Air squad's active in the field.
Oh my god.
Returning you to the front. Earn this. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Hey, one exclusively with blue.
Enemy UAV
Yeah,
online.
that was trying to put it.
Enemy advanced UAV is active.
Trying to boost you. I didn't even know loadout. You trying to get our loadout.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV online. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Fire sale active. Fire sale has been reduced. Enemy advanced UAV online. Enemy UAV
We're bored of you.
only 10 were left.
So, let me try.
Có lớn.
My God. Wait.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment. Enemy soldier incoming.
Everybody here? Everybody here? Say no more. Big as op, you here? Nah, that nigga, I'll be on the stick.
Resurgence. Survive and you eliminate targets.
Put that little pig. Free
shit real quick.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky. Hostile UAV in the area.
What's that? Yo, it's...
They're right here.
UAV is online. You've made it to the top 10. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Nigga pulling up in the bike.
Oh, we got it.
What the fuck? The load is on in the water.
Squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Oh, what am I? Oh, the Lord. Oh, look. Oh, I believe.
Two left squad mates outside the safe zone.
Out. Yo.
Sorry, Shinobi.
What's
I
up,
was
bro?
stuck on the loadout.
No, all good.
What's up, Blue?
What up? Yo, you can hear me? Yeah, yeah. All right. What's up? Yeah, I gotta be a little careful. The 370.
Blue, do you live on Facebook sometimes?
Copy?
Do you live on Facebook sometimes? Oh, this is way better. You gain more followers on it. I mean, just go live and play, get more audience.
I'm trying to get on live.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Your setup is nice. Yeah, my life. Shinobi go Makia. What state,
Come on, man.
State go Makia.
North Carolina.
Allah.
Yo, 370.
Yeah, what's up, Blue?
Remember last week when I had said if you had a buck?
Yeah, well, you got it?
No.
Come on, bro. You got a beautiful state up there, bro.
Yeah, I'm still saving up, so I didn't really spend anything from last time.
Damn, this old guy talking shit.
Goodness, bro.
I know you talking shit now.
Alright, then, keep running.
I'm in control. Where you guys at? Oh, crazy.
Oh, you're over there? That's fine. Not good if people hear stuff anyways. Gosh, bro.
What? Two
they're playing me, huh?
Pick it up. Let me get that money. Let me get that money. Let me get that money.
Over. Are you?
Damn, bro, I'm delaying. I need to restart after this. It's okay. Yeah, I need to restart.
Hey, money on bicycle, pop a UAV.
I need 700 more.
Money in there, blue. Ass down.
Oh, it's getting better. You know what? Oh, a little bit. As soon as I talk, I start laughing.
And everybody. Hey, harbor. Somebody at harbor.
What the fuck?
They going to harbor. Back to harbor. Back to harbor.
Gas is closing in.
Back to harbor?
Yeah. Yep. Thanks.
Y'all killed me. Hey, it's one more towards harbor by this building we just did.
Oh, why am I laughing stupid, dude? I'm gonna shoot. Ay, Yaramayo.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh my god, I did not. Yeah, I'm afraid to.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
Like you're nowhere near me, bruh.
They are harbor, yo.
Yo, careful.
370, they
Yo,
are harbor.
370, right in front of you, right in front of you, right in front of you. Stupid game life, bro. We've been killed them.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Bro, why am I liking like stupid ass shit, bro?
I'm
This shit
saying,
pissed
bro,
me off.
why am I lagging?
This shit pissed me off. Let me buy a UAV.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Well, we got UAV too.
Yeah, buy station. I was just looking there. Yo.
No shit.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yo, I can't shoot my gun without it lagging.
Yeah. I don't know. I think I'm the reason I need to restart. I think because I locked in before you and you joined my lobby. Or Shinobi too, because I joined Shinobi. No, Shinobi just joined me. When I turned on the game, you guys wasn't on, that's why I joined. You stupid, yo, what's that? I'm just go and try. Oh, dude.
Bro, these guys are so, I'm sick, bro.
Damn, all three. Three motherfuckers inside.
Wait, how much?
Three.
And they on top of the
Oh my god.
One down. They're reviving, you dead. Only two
Oh,
left.
hell no.
Oh, all three,
They're bugging. Nah, teammates, don't even.
Yeah, wait for them.
This is not even worth it for it, bro.
Yeah, they're gonna come
There's
out.
a dude on top of prison. And I was too busy in the animation of popping the stem, so I couldn't even. They're pushing you, teammate. They're pushing you.
There's a crown on top.
Just heard one of them sliding.
Hostile UAV in the area.
I killed the crown.
You probably gonna
I
report
know.
me, huh?
Damn.
They said kids be reporting.
What kind of gun did he shoot
Got
me?
people there.
I sniped that mama coochie, I'll tell you that.
Damn. Come here.
I see your mama coochie.
No one behind.
Chill out, bro. You talking about that shit?
Yo, they dropping in. Holy shit.
No.
Oh, I see him. He landed back in front. Wait. Come here.
Oh my god, one shot.
I know exactly where he's gonna come out from. So just run up.
Let's
Come on. I'm dead again. Oh, you made it out. That's what's up.
Alright, I'm dead. I think this
Mind your business here.
is very good.
Not dead. Yo, there's more of them nearby. Cracked, knocked, dead. Ooh.
Oh wow, I got you.
That's exactly why the Jackal's strongest gun in the game. One against the C9 face to face.
Yeah, Prince. Yeah, Prince. Your mama got.
Yeah, they
your
sure
mama
did,
got
they
some
sure
talent.
Oh
I'll
my
tell you that.
goodness.
The things she do for a chalupa, ooh wee. She make your knees.
Kidding me?
You didn't save me. I saved you. Your mama almost aborted your ass.
What are you talking
Cracked.
about?
He's one.
Your mama won, the one and only one, who I ever seen take 8 dicks at once.
Damn.
Yeah, you better watch prison. We fucking your mama in prison right now. She's flexing it up too.
Bro, my game is lagging so hard. It's like freezing. I'm dead. No. Yes. This game is crazy. I'm over here shooting. No, what the fuck happened? Oh. It's alright.
Alright, let me restart.